So before you do any DIY work, whether you're just putting a shelf up, hanging a picture, check where your sockets are. Cables go left and right and up and down. They don't go diagonally. When we are installing equipment and a customer wants a socket on another wall, higher up, there are prescribed zones which we have to adhere to. So in the corner of this room, we've got a corner and it goes round. Your only source of power could potentially be about here. We need to get power from there over to there and round. We can either go up to the ceiling, through the ceiling and drop the cable down in the wall. So potentially a socket would come down with the power coming down to that socket. Or likewise, if you've got a wooden suspended floor, doing the same. When we're feeding cables around rooms, there are other safe zones. There's a zone in the corner. So we can put in cables here. We'll also put in cables there. But if we need to get that cable over to the other side of the room, because that is the only source of power, we would be taking the cables up the wall, up to the ceiling, and again a safe zone around the top of the wall, probably around about 10-15 centimeters, and that is our safe zone, so we can feed all the way around and drop it down to your new socket, drop it down to your new light switch. Quite handy when we're running them through the top section. If you've got wall lights and you wanted switching from a wall light to go up and around, taking the cables around the top of the ceiling, top of the walls, and then dropping them down to the new wall light, or likewise to the switch. Hope this video has been of use to you. Have a look at the pictures we've supplied with this video, which give you a little bit more about the safety zones in the corners and along and around the ceilings, and also down to the floor. Bright Spark Electricians are NIC, EIC approved electrical contractors. We carry out a lot of work, including emergency call-outs and fault finding. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube video channel and hit that little notification bell to be informed when we release some more videos.